Hello. You may remember me from an old video. Yes, I'm part of the Pooper family. And I'm not one of those raging ones. I'll explain exactly who I am in a minute. My name is Mac D. Pooper. I am Mr. Pooper's brother. I'm 1 year younger than him. He is 69, I'm 68. And yeah, if you don't rage like him, you wind up like this. So, it's been a hard life. So most of my videos are gonna be how the fuck did we all end up looking like that? It's a big backstory. So I'm gonna be storytelling of the Pooper family. Some of it's quite sad, some of it's cheerful, some of it's angry. There's one reason why Mr. Pooper gets angry a lot as well, as he was born into a very abusive family. It was tough for him, and so was it for me. He managed to get over it, and it destroyed me for life. So, I'm just introducing myself. That's what I'll be doing, pretty much. And that's it. I've got to go now. I'll talk to you more about the Pooper family and their stories later. I'm not fucking weird, am I? Yeah. This is what happens when you worry too much. Yeah. I just can't take it anymore. I've got to go. Thank you.